Hello students, welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy. Today I am going to give 7 problems in redox reaction chapter. Okay. Now let us see the first question. Okay. Simple one. The oxidation number of chromium in Cr2O72 minus and sulfur in SO42 minus and phosphorus in PO43 minus are respectively. So option A plus 3 plus 6 and plus 5. Option B plus 5 plus 3 and plus 6. Option C minus 3 plus 6 and plus 6. Option D plus 6 and plus 5. So you must know some oxidation number, especially hydrogen, oxygen, you must know. Only you'll be able to find out the other elements oxidation state. Understood? Right. Simple one. Role of hydrogen peroxide in the following reaction. What's the role they're asking? Okay. It's a oxidation agent or reducing agent or dehydrating agent or decarboxylating agent. Okay. So here you must know the it's all are redox reaction. No redox reaction. So which is oxidized, which is reduced. If you know means you can able to find out this. Okay. Next one. Third one. Which substance is serving as a reducing agent in the following reaction? 14H plus Cr2O72 minus plus 3 nickel gives 2 Cr3 plus 3 nickel 2 plus 7 H2O. Option A H plus. See, the question is what? Which one acts as a reducing agent in this reaction? That's the question. Okay, we have to find out among this. Okay. Option A H plus. Option B Cr2O72 minus. Option C H2O. Option D nickel. Understood? Fourth one. The reaction 2H2O2 gives 2H2O plus O2 is an example of dash reaction they're asking. Option A, oxidation reaction. Option B, reduction reaction. Option C, disproportionation reaction. Option D, decomposition reaction. Understood? Right. Next one. Fifth one. When Cl2 reacts with hot and concentrated sodium hydroxide solution, the oxidation of chlorine changes from 0 to plus 1 and 0 to minus 5. Option B, 0 to minus 1 and 0 to plus 5. Option C, 0 to minus 1 and 0 to plus 5. Option D, 0 to plus 1 and 0 to minus 3. Okay. So you must know how to find out. First of all, you should know the equation. Then only we can able to find out the oxidation number. Okay. Right. Next one, the oxidation state of iron in Fe3O4. Simple one given. So it's a mixer oxide. So always you will be getting only the fraction value. Okay. Option A 5/4. Option B 4/5. Option C 3/2. Option D 8/3. Understood? So seventh one, out of zinc and copper vessel, which one will be more suitable to store 1 molarity HCl? Okay. Given electrode potential of Zn2 plus becomes Zn is equal to minus 0.76 voltage and electrode potential of Cu2 plus becomes Cu is plus 0.34 voltage. Okay. So which vessel we can able to store HCl? That's a question. Okay. From this value only we can able to find out. We must know the electrochemical series, reactivity series you must know. Then which one is strong reducing agent, which is strong oxidizing agent. Okay. If you know means you can able to solve this. Very simple. Option A copper vessel. Option B zinc vessel. Option C both the vessel. Option D none of this. Okay. Right. So these are the 7 questions. I will give the answers in the next class. Okay. Thank you, students.